people. Wake up, you know. Shalom, shalom. It's another day. It's another day. We got blessed with another one. Day. Is this day 2?
Yep.
I guess you would say this day 2. We spent the night here. But we gotta get this light to adjust. Day 2. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a big day. I promise you. Just watch the rest of this video. It's gonna be a big day. Don't miss out. Time to go to breakfast.
Let's get the watch planet.
I'm sick.
I'm trying to feed.
Yeah, you're right. So
I use the phone. Take out and try to put that camera.
you're right. He's right, guys.
Yeah.
So we're gonna transition from the camera to the phone.
Storage,
sir.
Stairs. Let's go skeleton.
Everywhere in Florida. About to go eat breakfast, y'all. Food, what up in that one?
I will make it fish.
Nah, it's pre-made. It's hotel breakfast.
Yeah.
They sent it in frozen already.
Reheat.
Come on, Pops.
Okay, what's up? What's your name?
Not much.
Thanks.
You up? Yeah. That's what I got, y'all. A little bit of tea, no sugar. Might go in. A little chilly this AM. Not bad though. Yeah, this car kind of big.
Yeah, man. Yes. So today Tuesday.
Vlogging. You see my green hat though. Green pants though. Green car though. Yeah, that's how we doing it. We in go mode. About to hit this road. Yeah. Yeah, I know I see a box truck. I gotta go talk to him. You know, this is what we started. Yeah, this you?
Yeah, that's what I'm driving right now.
This your truck?
No, I work for a guy.
Oh, okay. I used to have my own box truck too. I was hitting over the road too, man.
Well, we do we out of St. Louis, so we do
Okay.
Kansas City, Omaha, Nebraska,
Okay.
and out.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, man, ain't bad. That's kind of like.
Illinois, of course, somewhere, of course.
Okay, so y'all what they use like low board or you got like contracts?
Contract.
That's dope. Okay, yeah, man. I used to be I'm from Florida.
Right.
I used to be all over it. My little brother go to school and I come up. I done been up here like 2-3 times already.
Okay.
Well, I ain't in the box truck thing no more, but yeah, man.
So what you was doing? You was hauling furniture?
Nah, I was off the low board.
Oh no, yeah.
So y'all got contracts. That's a good thing right there.
Yeah, it is. We so right now we run for Ethan Alley.
Ethan Alley. Okay, I'm gonna have to look them up.
High-end furniture company.
High-end. Okay. That's a white glove service, something like that. Okay.
That's what we do.
That's what's up though, man. All right, man.
So y'all here on
My little brother, it's a senior game at Avila. It's a school down in Avila, so that's what we're here for.
That's what's up, man. Well, shit, man. Y'all enjoy this Midwest weather.
The show, man. Hey, look.
Subscribe
To my YouTube channel, man. Business Team, man. What's your name?
I'm Darnell.
Darnell. All right, Darnell.
What's it called?
Business Team. Bizzn. Business Teams. Tingz.
Teams. Oh, I thought you said team. Okay.
Tings.
All right, man. So you what they call it, influencer?
Yeah.
Right,
I guess I can say that. Yeah.
I finally met one in real life.
There you go.
I see y'all on TV all the time.
Yeah. Look how they cool. Nah, they cool. All right, boss. My bad. I forgot. Oh, okay. You know, we got to talk to my family, man. You know, we about the truck. They out here cold. Find the key. I don't even know where the key is. Hold on, y'all.
See the type of grass, so I'll go to grass, man. Yeah. But now they find one. Yes, sir.
We house shopping, y'all.
Yeah, the type of grass.
Yeah, it's certain grass, I guess, for the snow, I guess.
Yeah,
I don't know.
probably the winter climate. free to take up somebody for Jamaica. We say you're going to prison one night time, but you never grow.
You not grow?
No. You're going to blow leaf till you fall. That with this in the master. Leaf.
This
the address and so much.
This for sale.
Tell him we're going to go look at it.
I wonder how much square feet this is.
In the address and you will see the price.
You do it, baby?
I'm going to reach it.
Yeah, it look like a golf course.
Yes.
If it's not, is that a golf course?
In a quarter mile, turn left onto
You don't
Wernal
see all the
Road.
pole them stick up.
Telling y'all.
You tell her which one occupied, you know?
Yeah. Oh, it says it on there.
Yeah, come pass one sign, put that one there. On green and white sign.
Yeah.
One vacant, as I said. Yeah.
For sale. Take that number down. So that's not that big. That's good. Hold up. You got two. Oh. They share the driveway.
See occupied, sir?
Now these gonna cost about 500.
Look at that one there. I like the brick though. You know? Yeah, the brick nice.
There's another part to it. So we here. They knew I was coming. All right. See, they even opened it up for me. Nobody here yet. Well, it's kind of cold. Hold on now. What line? It wasn't like this before. Y'all know that. So what? They upgraded.
So when regular grass field when I come.
I think so, if I remember.
I don't know. We didn't come down.
If I remember correctly, I can't remember.
But the field don't look so good on the camera, you know. That's some shitty camera they have the recording and then camera now. Yeah. So that's why he was saying the way they played last week, the field was so bad because it was natural turf and it was muddy and all that.
All right.
Will the members of the families participating in today's Senior Day festivities please report in front of the press box for 10:30 a.m.
What did I say?
Some of them look taller than I
I know I make it. You hoping? you hoping to get warm?
The number try quarterback.
I mean, he throwing the ball. 73 to my belly man. 73. What's up?
Oh, okay, once it starts, you know.
I don't know what they're saying, but it's provocative. So I didn't run out this time, I run back in.
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh, the whole team. Oh, it was just receivers. It was just receivers and a quarterback. Okay.
Oh, come in up, man. So then team look a bit, you know?
Yeah. There we go right there, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, Kareem look creative out there. Kareem look like a creative player.
Yeah.
Boy, I know they cold.
Yep.
Oh.
Yeah, took her on a
It's a little cold out here, boy. Freezing. We getting ready to, I guess, walk out on the field, y'all. But not yet. This is all the senior parents and relatives post up.
Fall in and give us a shot, man.
A shot?
Yeah, get a picture.
This is a star right here.
No, we didn't.
Man of the hour. Come on now. Oh, down.
After college, Kareem wants to become a digital marketer using social platforms to connect with audiences and building brands.
All right.
He would like to congratulate his family, coaches, and teammates on this journey to help him become the person that he is today. Senior number 0, Kareem Shepherd.
Come on now.
Our next senior is Massimo Garcia.
There you go, coach. I'm getting a
Joining
picture.
Massimo are his mother and father, Ray Feeling.
Oh, yeah, I got that
everyone
picture.
coming together
That's a good
to win.
picture. I already got
He
that
would like to
picture.
thank his family and friends for always supporting him. Thank you for watching him play the sport and also grow as a man. Senior,
That boy
number
deep.
33, Massimo Garcia. Our next senior is Jorge Fatone. Jorge is joined on the field by his wife Carmen and son JJ. After
Hold
college,
up.
Jorge will pursue becoming a professional football player
Lando
while being open to
Mando.
coaching opportunities. With his degree, he can either pursue
Already.
career paths in Kansas City or back home in Southern California. His favorite memory was
What is it? Getting a good shot.
our next senior is Jaden Ramos. Jaden is accompanied by his father, and his mother, Tina Stevens, as well as his brother, Tyler, and sister, Aubryn, along with family from Hawaii and Texas. Jaden plans after Avila to make a difference in the world by continuing to be a social worker in Hawaii or anywhere God is calling him to. Jaden would also like to thank the coaches who believed in him and gave him an opportunity to continue his academic and football career beyond measure. He would like to say thank you to all of his teammates that welcomed him with open arms. And finally, Jaden wants to say thank you to his parents,
Deep,
siblings, family.
Too late. Too late. As a contact, you gotta move. You giving that to him? You don't want that.
You gotta go in strong.
I need about four of them things a day.
I know y'all ain't gonna be up there, so I know y'all gonna be bleachers.
I don't know. It's cold. Wherever it's warm, that's what I'm trying to be.
I don't know where it's warm.
We're probably gonna be in the bleachers though, just to get a better camera.
Yes. Very cute, very cute.
Get to Shirley.
Yeah, right.
We just say get to Shirley. Or Shirley put that up.
Shirley to that cherish that.
Trust me.
Everything I get from high school, I mean, had everyone. You know, left my time at home.
Tell her Shirley, get that Shirley put up, start praise the picture.
So, you know, say, I'm the cousin this way. Wait, in NFL India, you know, in a football league there.
Yeah.
I lost you.
yeah. He wouldn't even know if I explained it right.
Yeah.
Not gonna explain it right. There we go. Okay.
St. Mary's kickoff at the end zone.
Go. Oh, you run into your block. It's all good.
Clinton Curtis, the ball carrier.
It's
Brought
all
down the play
good.
by
Right here. It's coming right. Oh, nah, maybe not. They know.
See him then out. See him there.
Yeah, he waited too long.
Let's run the ball. Let's run.
He had him, but he hesitated.
Eli Williams.
Don't show him, big dog, what you got?
Blitz.
Oh! There you go, watch out.
Williams back.
Hold on.
Now we gotta get this touchdown. Let's go
What's
get
number
this
20
touchdown.
again?
Go ahead and get it right back to him.
Go. Pass.
10 always open.
Come on.
Williams back.
There ain't no profanity.
Third down, 10 Eagles.
Oh my God. Maybe you got something going right now.
Oh, there you go.
Nice.
There you go.
Okay.
Quentin Curtis.
Oh.
That's the first down.
They ain't gonna. Number 7.
Hands up. Oh, no, good play. That's what I'm talking about.
I know I'm gonna get one on camera. I don't know.
In the back of that bus. 1 and 10. 1 and 10.
Final score, Avila Eagles 32, St. Mary's Spires 24.
Hey.
Thank you for joining us for today's Avila Eagles football game.
They tried though.
Your support of football all season long.
How you do it, famous? How you do it? Yeah. What's up, man?
Good game. Yeah. Oh, when did it pass? Too much passing.
Yeah, man.
Try to hit your ass in the back.
So let me ask you a question. I see you got
I saw you win.
You got a little crunk. You got a little crunk. What you gonna do? I see you got crunk on do. What you was gonna do?
You're gonna knock him out. You want to just remember for the penalty.
I got him when we scored.
Yeah.
On the
On the block?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
He did.
Got him back. But he ain't do nothing for real.
All right.
Yeah, I dropped that ball. My hands was like this.
Yeah.
My hand was like this. So it hit between me and I tried to squeeze it.
So you have burns everywhere.
Yeah.
Turf. All right.
Grab it.
Yeah, that one over there tried to.
On to the next level now.
Yeah, that's what I know we're going to do.
I know. Number 5 is running, and number 6, I seen him all the whole game. I'm watching him like.
Number 7 is the late team receiver. I guess they took him out of the game because he celebrated when he scored.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he did a little head thing, whatever.
Yeah. He was playing dirty though.
Oh.
Talking about they head butted me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dang.
I heard they spit on him.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they never cut in on defense.
I mean, that's football, though. You gotta. It's crazy.
Spitting and
Oh, not no spitting. I ain't never got spit on. I got hit in.
You're doing a great job this year, man. Proud of you.
Yep, they had butt after the play.
Yeah.
Dang.
And I don't know what happened.
Okay.
It was already getting to the back end. The play was already over.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell him.
Pablo Holyfield. It's not there. Look like the hood over there. That like the hood over there. Oh, the off day. Dang, man. They got some good food, though.
Yep. Next one.
They closed down. Where we going now?
Wagwan?
More, yeah.
Oh, you know about that one?
Yeah.
Wagwan food good? No, we're not going there then.
He never eat there.
Oh,
you never. Oh.
You said?
But yeah, I know they got some more.
And that reggae kitchen
down there.
Y'all, we got another food joint. I mean, you know, we like to eat. Check them out. Reggae Kitchen. Let's see what you talking about. Reggae Kitchen, we idea we don't know.
That's small, isn't it?
Ground soup, that's a small?
Yeah, man. Red peas, cold skin.
Cold skin?
Yeah.
No beef?
Yeah.
Well, beef still.
I don't know how long gonna.
First go. What you mean it's jumping?
Easy.
What? I don't know. I gotta see it when I'm there. Alright. Finished eating, y'all. Food was good. Belly full.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Reggae Kitchen. What cream left in there?
I don't know, man. Yeah. You watch that. Where on it? Yeah, I had to make sure I had to eat it. Oh.
No matter where I go, I'm still the driver. Sheesh. Look at they park around here, y'all. They park on the road. This is a lane. It's a whole lane right here. And I'm still the driver. Oh, man.
No, it's cold, you know, chilly. Cold. Yeah. Man, there, man. Alright, yeah.
Oh, there. A football player without a girlfriend. You mind yourself, you know.
Lando?
Wow, that's a good one.
You have too many.
No.
Alright, that's two, yeah.
Oh, yeah, they still afraid pan shorty down, so.
Shake Shack. Yes, sir. Get that boy right, cause we about to go back home tomorrow. Yo, this thing retarded. It's a stupid little. We about to eat good, boy, for about a good week. Shalom, shalom. What it is, people, what it is. It's the last day. Well, really, we just headed to the airport. We ain't gonna have much for you today, so we're just gonna add it in with day 2. Headed to the airport right now. Got an hour drive to the airport. So, it's 9 o'clock. Flight leave at 12. Yeah, why not? I'll lay in, we be back. I don't know when we, oh yeah, we be back up here at least sometime in the future. My brother about to graduate. But yeah, we're gonna tap in. Boss have eggs. He got 3 eggs. He got 3 boiled eggs. For the road. He got to play it like this. Yeah. I don't know how he go. I guess we should put it in his lap. Oh yeah, watch.
Take the next right onto East Access, East Frontage Road East.
Try to break one block. The other one put concrete in the block so he couldn't break it. Little short man run gun.
In a quarter mile, continue straight to stay on East Frontage Road East.
Y'all, we back at the airport. Headed home. She just got on him. Headed home, y'all. Yeah. Ready to go home. I know we're going left.
You just basically like clicking.
What? Nah, it gotta be this way. Oh, is that way? Oh, okay. See, I was wrong. I'm usually not wrong. I'm always right. Departure. Well, I say hungry again. Yeah? I haven't taken American Airlines in years. I think I was in the Navy last time I took American Airlines. Good food, y'all. Okay, this airport on swole on Sunday, y'all. Yeah. I get on this little train. Happy to be home. Well, not even home. I'm not even home. I'm up at my pop. But happy to be back in Florida where there's sunlight. It's not gloomy. It's actually not boring. Look at you, one help.
Doors, hold on to handrails. The doors are now closing. Please stand clear of doors and hold on to handrails. The doors are...
Yeah, he definitely lost. He looked like he was lost because he came from the other way. He came from that way, so you can tell he lost. He's supposed to be going to the terminal. I'll bet money that's what he's supposed to be doing. Dang, look at that line, boy. Look at that line. Woo, good ain't got to get in that line. Yes, people, what it is, we're here. We're on home turf. We're in Orlando. I'm not in Fort Lauderdale, but hey, it's good enough. Pop stays up here, so we're gonna end it off like that. I definitely enjoyed the weekend, but it feels good to be home. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video so far. But look, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. It's your boy Orlando, and I am the man. This airport is swole. Oh my gosh, worse than Miami. I don't know where I ride at, but that's it, y'all. Holla at y'all. It's your boy Orlando, and I am the man.